So the final step for when you are submitting or done your animations is you are going to make sure you've saved. Always make sure you save. And then you're going to go down to this next thing, this little button here that looks like a mountain with a sun, which is our export tab. We're going to click on it. And you're going to make sure that your scale is set to about 6 or 7 times. You're looking at like 150, 180 pixels or so. Make sure you select it on GIF file, loop repeatedly, and you're going to hit download. You will then go to your downloads folder. Now, if you're on a Chromebook, your downloads folder you don't have the same sort of desktop as me, but you still have a downloads folder, which is accessible through your files, and then you go find your downloads folder. But your Piskel will go to there, and that's what you're going to be handing into the classroom. So, if you go to the Google Classroom, and you go to Classroom, and go to Exploration of Interactive Digital Media. You are Introduction to Interactive Digital Media. You go to Classwork. You will see that Unit 2 Principles of Animation and Digital Sprites has been posted, and I have posted the assignment Animation of Item Sprites. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on View Assignment. Now, I see a slightly different view than you do, but we have the assignment here, so you're going to be creating 3 different sprites. One that is a sort of a health potion based sprite, one that's some sort of weapon for your game, and one that is some sort of item or collectible. I've posted a couple examples of ones I've done here. I got a little stormtrooper blaster, I've got a little heart, some bottles, poison potion, chainsaw. The rubric is also there, so it's a basic rubric, 9 points. This is a 9-point assignment. Make sure you read through the assignment to see what exactly is required to get full marks on this assignment. Close that down. Up here you will have, in this area, your little add or create. So you're going to click on add or create. You're going to go to file, and you're going to navigate. So choose a file from your device, and you're going to navigate to your downloads folder and then upload that GIF file that you have here. So it should be called Mana Potion IDM 20S GIF. And then you're going to upload to that classroom, and once you've done all 3, you will submit them to me here on the classroom. This assignment is going to be due. I'm going to edit it slightly here. This assignment is going to be due on Friday, March 27th. So that's the end of the week next week. So you'll have all week to work on this. I want you to do a fantastic job. 3 is the minimum number of items. If you want to play around, you want to do a whole bunch of different versions of things, have some fun with it, that is entirely up to you. You give me a bunch more animations, you get a little more complex with your animation, that's only going to improve your mark. So that's what you're going to be doing. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them on the Google Classroom or email me. But if you post them under the assignment, then I can kind of clarify them a little bit better there. Save here, and good luck with working on these during the week. Don't be afraid to ask me for help. Remember, these are going to be digital assets in your game, and so you want to be thinking a little bit about what kind of a game you're making, and then start creating things that you might want to be using in your game.